Niccolò Machiavelli's The Prince, a concise yet profoundly influential treatise on political philosophy, remains one of the most controversial and widely studied works in the history of political thought. Written in 1513, during a period of political upheaval in Renaissance Italy, The Prince offers a starkly realistic, even cynical perspective on the acquisition and maintenance of political power. It departs radically from the traditional moralistic approach to governance, instead advocating for a pragmatic and often ruthless approach to leadership. Machiavelli, a Florentine diplomat and political theorist, wrote The Prince as a practical guide for rulers, particularly new princes seeking to establish and secure their authority. He dedicated the work to Lorenzo de' Medici, hoping to regain favor with the ruling family after being dismissed from his government post. Understanding the book's purpose and content requires understanding its creation in the fragmented and volatile political landscape of Renaissance Italy. Unlike earlier political theorists who focused on ideal forms of government and rulers' moral obligations, Machiavelli sought to describe how rulers actually behaved rather than how they ought to behave. He believed that political success required a clear understanding of human nature, which he saw as fundamentally self-interested and fickle. He famously stated, "It is much safer to be feared than loved if one of the two has to be lacking." This stark assertion encapsulates Machiavelli's rejection of traditional ethical considerations in favor of practical effectiveness. The Prince is structured around a series of chapters that address various aspects of princely rule, including the different types of principalities, the methods for acquiring and maintaining power, the qualities of a good ruler, and the importance of military strength. Machiavelli emphasizes the need for a prince to be adaptable and cunning, able to navigate the shifting sands of political fortune. He advises rulers to be both lion and fox, possessing the strength to defend their territory and the guile to outwit their enemies. One of the most controversial aspects of The Prince is Machiavelli's argument that a ruler may need to employ immoral or unethical means to achieve his goals. He famously advises princes to be willing to break their promises, deceive their enemies, and even resort to violence if necessary. He argues that the ends justify the means and that a ruler's primary responsibility is to preserve the state, even if it requires sacrificing personal morality. Machiavelli's concept of virtue is central to his political philosophy. Unlike the traditional Christian notion of virtue, which emphasizes moral goodness, Machiavelli's virtue refers to a ruler's ability to act decisively and effectively in pursuit of his goals. It encompasses qualities such as courage, intelligence, adaptability, and ruthlessness. A prince with virtue is able to seize opportunities, overcome obstacles, and maintain his power, even in the face of adversity. He also stresses the importance of understanding and managing fortune, which he personifies as a capricious and unpredictable force. While fortune can play a significant role in political affairs, a skilled ruler can mitigate its effects through foresight, planning, and decisive action. He famously compares fortune to a raging river, which can be controlled by building dams and dikes. Machiavelli's analysis of military affairs is another key aspect of The Prince. He argues that a strong military is essential for the security and stability of the state. He advocates for a citizen army, claiming that mercenaries and auxiliaries are unreliable and ultimately detrimental to the state. He emphasizes the importance of military preparedness and the need for a ruler to be skilled in the art of war. The Prince is not merely a theoretical treatise but a practical guide for rulers. Machiavelli illustrates his points with numerous examples from history and contemporary politics. He draws on the experiences of figures such as Cesare Borgia, whose ruthless ambition and political acumen he admired, to demonstrate the effectiveness of his methods. Commentary. The Prince is a groundbreaking work that revolutionized political thought. It departs from idealistic theories of governance and instead focuses on the pragmatic realities of power. Machiavelli's insights into human nature, the nature of political leadership, and the role of fortune continue to resonate with readers today, making The Prince an essential text for anyone seeking to understand the enduring complexities of politics. The book's impact on political thought has been profound and enduring. It has been both praised and condemned for its amoral approach to politics. Some have seen it as a realistic and insightful analysis of power, while others have criticized it for promoting tyranny and corruption. The term Machiavellian has become synonymous with cunning, deceit, and ruthless ambition. Despite its controversial nature, The Prince remains a vital text for understanding the dynamics of political power. It offers a stark and unflinching look at the realities of leadership, challenging traditional notions of morality and ethics. Its enduring relevance lies in its ability to illuminate the timeless struggle for power and the enduring complexities of human nature.